basically, for you guys watching, I'm sure people who are interested in the Tesla Model Y, and it's honestly, I think it's its main competitor, the Cadillac LYRIQ, are interested in seeing, what's a better bang for your buck. And in my opinion, I'm gonna get straight to the point. I think the Cadillac is a much better car for the money, right? I think the only thing that Tesla really has over the Cadillac LYRIQ is the acceleration, right? The Cadillac LYRIQ, of course, it's an electric car. It's faster than most cars on the road, but it doesn't accelerate as hard as the Model Y, but you don't really need that, right? If you're in a Cadillac or you're interested in the brand, right, you care about comfort, which the car definitely has, premium materials everywhere, no rattles, great build quality, and you're saving a bit of money compared to the Model Y, right? This car starts at $62,000, whereas the Model Y starts at, I think, $65,000. And with the Cadillac LYRIQ, of course, you get the same level 2 or level 3 autonomous driving, which again works the same as Tesla's, except I hear you don't necessarily have to tap the wheel like you do on the Teslas frequently, because it has some sort of system where it's able to detect when your eyes are on the road and when it's not. Mind you, this car also comes with massaging seats, heated and cooled seats, and ambient lighting, which the Tesla lacks. And I think these things are really, really important when you're buying a car in this price range. Now, when the Tesla Model Y was 50 grand, I get it, right? It shouldn't necessarily come with all these features because it was relatively affordable, but now it's kind of pricey, I'm not gonna lie. And for the money, I will tell you guys, please consider the Cadillac. This is a car that I'm actually considering for myself. It's an SUV, right? It's very elegant. I think it looks really nice compared to the Model Y. It's different, and I applaud Cadillac for coming out with an electric car that competes with the Model Y very well. Now, if they do increase the price in the future, which they probably will, I don't know if I would necessarily consider it as much, because we know the Tesla Model Y is a great car overall. We know it's reliable. Yeah, the build quality is whatever, but for the price, and considering you do get that $7,500 tax break from the federal government, in addition to state incentives, it's a very, very, very affordable car. Very luxurious. Cadillac, you know how Cadillac do with their screens and the Escalades and all that kind of stuff. It's a very luxurious car. So guys, please consider the Cadillac. Trust me, I'm non-biased. I have a Tesla myself, and I can tell you that this car has a lot to offer for the money. Now, that's it for this video, guys. Of course, if you enjoyed it, let us know down in the comments. And if you didn't enjoy it, let us know too. I'll probably end up picking up a LYRIQ, if not a Cybertruck, sometime next year. And that's about it.